Oh, yo, what's up, people? Yeah! Welcome to Suck My Nasdaq. This is going out to all the noobs. This is going out to my dad, who says, every once in a while I turn your show on and I have no idea what the F you're saying. What are people gonna think if they just tune into the show for the first time? Well, this is going out to all you noobs. What's up, people? What we do here is we hang out. We talk about the stocks. Every once in a while, tell stories about how I'm not having sex with my wife anymore. Do a little drug humor, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. We try to have a good time. We try to take the lighter side of Wall Street because we can't get too serious now. And we talk about the magic powers I possess. Oh yeah, that's right, Mr. Google, Mr. Y Google. The magic powers that I possess. Nobody, and this is not a coincidence anymore because I've been in this business when Souls was first created, baby. SelectNet, you guys remember that? Wild West, baby. Harvey Houken, what's up? I've been in this business since there was no law. Erroneous trades, $300 stocks, $40 bids, and offers spreads. Come on now. I've seen it all, but yet again, I've seen nothing. What have I learned? Nothing. That's the point. What I've learned in my career is what to do and what is wrong. And what I try to do is express those points as best as possible so not to allow you guys to make the same mistakes I have. Now, if he's losing money all the time, how does he keep going on? What's happening? I don't lose money all the time. Here's what happens to me generally. I'll research a company. Oh, he does research? He does research. How come he doesn't tell us about it? Yeah, I do some research. I got some guys that I still haven't burnt bridges with that throw me some good stock recommendations. Because I don't like when people call it tips. You got any tips? Oh, you're in the market? You got any tips? Yeah, here's a tip. Shut the fuck up and walk away. People who ask for tips, they're not going to do anything with your tip anyway. Because you know who you're out there. Uncle Paulie, did you buy the OMTR at $15? No. So when I see you again 3 years from now, I'm going to rub it in your face, all right? That's what it's worth. I see you every 6 months, maybe. Now I'm not going to probably see you ever again. But Uncle Paulie, if you're out there, OMTR, Zolt, did you buy any? Probably not. Tips, you got some tips for me? But here's what we do on the show. I am an investor / trader / swing trader manager. I'm a jack of all trades. And Carl, he's out there, he thinks he can be me. Nobody can be me. You don't want to be me. What I've proven is you can't do it all. But now since that I've let go of those Q shorts, well, look at the glow on my face. Fucking snap my own neck. Look at the glow. You can't do it all. You cannot do it all. So since I got out of most of my swing trades and I got out of those damn Q shorts as a hedge, I've been actually trading well this week. I've made money every single day. But the beauty of it, the awesome part of joining Suck My Nasdaq is when I'm in the chat room and I'm trading, I try to express to you as quickly as possible what I'm selling out of. Because my God, that's where the magic is. You don't have to know about what the stock is. You don't have to do research. Again, you don't have to read a newsletter or do your stochastics and increasing and decreasing volume. You got me. You got me offering stocks out. I got into 3,000 shares of EFUD at $16.48 cost average. Offered it out at $17. I was like, all right, usually when the stock moves, it has a 50-cent move immediately. Boom! I'm out at $17. I know this guy's out there. I just made close to $1,800 in 15 seconds. You're thinking, wow, that's super duper. It'll take me about a month to make that. Some of you guys aren't even making that. Some of you guys are just in school. Some of you people don't even trade. You just watch the show just for shits and giggles. Ooh, shits and giggles. I'm sorry, I don't mean to say that. I know you hate that phrase. It just gets thrown out of there. It's in my brain. But the story is, when I sell, look at the chart that happened to the EFUD. People were in the chat room. I said, listen, I'm getting out of the EFUD here at 17. Boom! 2 points it went up. So I made close to what I make. Like 52 cents on the trade or whatever it was, average. And then 15 minutes later, the stock's trading over close to 2.5 points from where I got. I think it hit 1920 something moments after I got out. You can't make that stuff up. And then I was like, here's vertical net. I will never ever trade this stock. Garbage, piece of shit, reverse stock, lunacy. The stock has 17 shares in the trade. Of course it's going up because there's some volume coming in. I said I won't trade it. Pile in here at 6. Those are the do what I say trades. I tell people to do stuff and they always work out. It wasn't an investment. But that's what Suck My Nasdaq is all about. Did I explain myself? Did I explain myself well enough to you? So then you join me in the chat room. We talk about stocks. Now, let me tell you one thing about the chat room. I got some smart guys in there. Again, you're probably smarter than I am. You got some good recommendation. I know Cash has got the bids, B-I-D-Z, gapping up again. I know you guys were talking about some of those China stocks. There's 5,000 China stocks. Which ones you gonna buy? Here's what you do: get them all together and make dice out of them. Throw them out and see what comes up. Buy a few and see how you do. You don't know what the hell those stocks are gonna do. And if I was able to short some of those, that's what I'd be doing. They're worthless. You don't know what they do. I wouldn't go near any of them as an investment, but you can trade them. That's what the EFUT is all about. That's what the Red F's all about. And also, this one's going out to the Kong guy. Kong guy, you out there? Guy was pounding me. My life savings is in Kong. Please, Jefferson, sell some shorts so the thing goes up. You didn't need my help on that one. Man, now if you didn't sell KONG yesterday or this morning into that move, I got no respect for you, buddy. The stock's up 100 and something % in a day and a half. You better have sold. And my comms guy, you sitting there with 20,000 shares of comms, Red? Yet still? Or did you just pull a crawl and get out yesterday? I don't know if that was a real print or not, but I just saw comms. 3 comm is up $1. I know I'm over 5 minutes and I apologize, but the point is of the story, you know I'm not going short anymore. You know I'm not taking on any large positions. I'm thinking about selling out of the ACG. That's my biggest position right now. I've been sitting with this thing for 2 years. Just sitting with $250,000 sitting there. Up and down, doing nothing. I gotta lighten up on that thing, because there's other things I gotta free up my cash for. Like, I gotta buy some more OMTR. I mean, Jesus Christ, this stock's going to what, 50? I have no idea. It goes up every day. I have to stop it. I'm gonna have to stop it. Because you know I'm not gonna go buying it just without hedging it. I'm gonna kill that stock. So if OMTR, if you're out there, I appreciate you returning my phone calls. You wanna do an interview on the show? Pay me off, because I'm about to buy a big block of freaking OMTR. Because that stock better not stop going up. What? They don't even make any money. I love these companies that make no money. The stock just goes up every single day. I love it. It's growth. It's the prospects. It's the future. That's what stocks trade on. Yeah, I know. Anyway, get in the chat room. This is some smart guys. Got my boy Malice, 16 years old. Knows more than I'll ever know. Cash King, Buffett Disciple. All my boys. Come to the website. Join up. Join the chat room. Because even if I don't do anything for a week, if I just talk a bunch of nonsense, look what happened last Friday. I was saying I'm getting out of my last 5,000 shares of EMC. And what happened? The stock gaps up on Monday morning and then takes up 2 points. That's a 10% move thanks to this guy. So you cannot make this stuff up. So if you stick around and you watch the show, who wants one? Please do me a favor. Buy some shirts. If you want a white one, maybe I'll make some white ones. I'm going to get some stickers, some other stuff. I see Kong is trading down now. Sorry about that. 3 comms guy. I haven't seen it go by in a while. I haven't checked it. I didn't even put my screen on. Because I got things I can't even trade today. There's no way I can even start getting involved at the moment. So I'm not going to be in the chat room today. Once I free up some time, I'm going to get my arm checked out and see if I need some surgery. And then I'm going to go for the snip appointment again. I'm trying to find a good guy who I can trust to hold my sack and snip the life off from my balls. All right, see you later.